Hello everyone, let's start with our next topic, that is simple microscope. A simple microscope or a magnifying glass is just a thin convex lens. Simple microscope is also known as magnifying glass, which is used to enlarging the images of smaller objects like written materials or different type of objects. Let's see the ray diagram first. This is the convex lens. An object AB of finite size is kept at a distance u from the lens but inside the primary focus of the convex lens. First ray which travels parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus, and second ray which is passing through the optical center, it will remain and deviate in its own path. As the distance between these two light rays keeps on increasing, so definitely they will not meet in forward direction, so it seems that they are meeting in reverse direction. So a virtual image is forming A dash B dash, which is at a distance capital D from the lens. Generally in optical instruments we want that the final image should be formed at D. So that is the adjustment we have to do while forming the image through simple microscope. That image should be formed at capital D. Then what is that capital D? Capital D is called least distance of distinct vision. General cases its value is 25 centimeters, but in special cases it depends upon the particular question. Now if without that simple microscope, without that convex lens, if object is placed in front of unaided eye at same distance D, then some angle alpha is formed, and when image is forming with the help of convex lens, some angle beta is forming at the lens. Then what are the properties of image? Properties: image is virtual, erect, magnified, and on the same side on the object where the object is kept. Now we have to derive the expression of magnifying power of the simple microscope. So starting the derivation, it is from diagram beta. So let's see the beta. Beta is almost equal to tan beta, and tan beta is equal to, we can also determine the value of tan beta from triangle A dash B dash O and also from ABO. So we are determining from ABO. So it will be equal to AB upon AO. So it is written as AB upon AO or OA, whatever, one in the same thing. AB is the size of object which is positive, and U, as it is on the left side, that's why U is taken as negative. So the value of beta comes out to be minus AB upon U. Let it be equation number 1. And the value of alpha is taken from this triangle, that is perpendicular upon base. Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular upon base, means AB upon D. Again D is on the left side of the eye. This E actually representing the eye, so it will be minus D. So alpha is almost equal to tan alpha, which is equal to minus AB upon D. AB is positive but D is negative, that's why it is minus AB upon D. Let it be equation number 2. Now the magnifying power M is equal to beta upon alpha. That is the expression you know already. So on placing the values, beta minus AB upon U minus AB upon D, AB cancelled out, minus minus cancelled out, M is equal to D by U. That is the general expression of magnifying power of a simple microscope. Now we have two special cases in simple microscopes. First case, when the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision as per our diagram, or D. So by lens maker's formula, if we apply lens maker's formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f is equal to, in place of v, at what distance the image is forming? Image is formed at distance minus d. So in place of v I am writing minus d. So it will become minus 1 upon d, and the value of u is actually negative because it is on the left side, so minus minus plus. On multiplying the complete equation by d, so it will become d by f is equal to minus 1 plus d by u. So the value of d by u will be equal to 1 plus d by f. As I have already told you that M is equal to D by U, the general expression M is equal to D by U. So here D by U can also be written as, here D by U is equal to 1 plus D by F, so it can be written as M. So M is equal to 1 plus D by F. That is the expression of magnifying power of a simple microscope in the case when the final image is formed at capital D. And when the final image is formed at infinity, for image to be formed at infinity, object must be placed at focus. That is the compulsory condition. So in such case, U is directly equal to F. So in the expression M is equal to D by U, we are replacing U by F. So it will be M is equal to D by F. That is the expression of magnifying power of a simple microscope when the final image is formed at infinity. That is all for this derivation. Thank you.